Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, we got a chance to get the car out and thrash on it a little bit, so we tried to get some really good shots. We are using the new GoPro Hero 13 with the anamorphic lens, and it didn't quite turn out like the advertisement that GoPro does. It's a great camera. I'm still working with it and figuring it out. I didn't get the golden hour like I wanted to. It was a cloudy day, but it seems, you know, it worked. It worked out okay. We got some good vids, and again, just tried to recreate what GoPro did in their video, and I'll show a quick clip of that. But anyways, a good day. The car's a beast. It's the first time I got to get it out and run it. Full bolt-on in a Boss. Right now we're on 93. With E85, it's a 487 wheel, so she gets up for what it is. 410 rear end, and with the Tremec 297 first gear, it's the wide ratio tranny. Yeah, we every gear, first, second, and third gear, put a tickle in your stomach, and even when we did just a quick into fourth. So we didn't get it up much over, well, I won't announce what we got it up to, but pretty much, like I said, it turned out to be a good video. I was trying to add to it and get the golden hour, but getting that opportunity and getting time to do it just isn't working out. So we will post another video with this camera and to show the camera's full potential and try and get better shots of the car. So anyways, with that, we'll get started. Let you check the video out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. And like I said, we'll get going. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for all your comments on my last video for around the mufflers. The car is a little bit quieter. Not quite what I wanted, but it's okay. My goal is to keep it quiet. But in this video, we're going to try something new. As I said, we're going to get the car out and start ripping on it. But we're going to do that with a GoPro Black Hero 13 with the anamorphic lens. So we're going to get the opportunity to show you guys how powerful this little camera is. We're going to get some great shots of the car going down the road and around it. So let's get rolling. I don't like it, but go ahead, stop it. You can pause. Fuck face. It pulls like crazy. You agree? You feel it in your stomach?
Yeah. Fuck yeah. That was badass. And you didn't even give it all
No, it was... I could have went further. One time I hit 8,000, but I'm good for 8,000 RPM. No, I was really impressed with the pull. I don't like the way fourth gear pulls because there's a gear ratio drop in the Tremec, that 297. But man, it's still there, isn't it?
That's badass.
That's amazing.
That's gnarly. I was sitting there thinking, can this thing really do donuts? Hell yeah, this thing can do donuts all day long. I was grinning.
It puts a grin on your face, don't it?
Yeah, as soon as you just, it's like, okay.
It's just, and second gear's a fucking beast.
Every gear was a beast.
Yep. So the next video, guys, we're gonna get the anamorphic lens, which is we have it in this scene. We're gonna put it on the back of the truck, and we're gonna basically not as fast, but we're gonna go about 50, 55.
I'm gonna go 50 or 55.
Right. Get some videos.
We gotta decide. Is it gonna be 50?
55 is fine. All right. So for the camera car, we got it hooked up on the back of the truck. Hopefully this isn't gonna shake too bad, but the stability should. If it does, we'll do it over again. I just want to get a lower view, and we'll get show you guys what that looks like. But that's how we're gonna roll this next video.
Let's go do it.
Yep, this is our view, so.
Oh.
This is what we're gonna roll with. Like I said, hopefully this will get stabilized. Oh yeah.
I hope it doesn't jiggle too much.
Looks pretty good. Look, it's not even moving.
Okay, all right.
All right, we're good.
You want me to left lane going down?
All right, we're gonna try a side shot. So this is where the camera's on the side of the vehicle, and we're gonna be driving by it. So we're gonna see what that looks like. Why don't you get a little closer, right about to where I'm standing, right here. So we're gonna get it up, see how it looks from the view. I'm roughly about midpoint of the car where the camera is sitting, as you can see. Yeah. Yep, that's right, like, almost like right smack between the two stripes. All right, we'll take a look at that and see what that looks like. Okay. Rolling, rolling. All right, Greg's right about in the middle of the lane. We're gonna do a drive-by example. We don't have much distance. It's about a quarter of a mile. I might be at the 8th right here.
So I'm not tracking you though, I'm just gonna hold it right there.
Correct. We're gonna hold the camera steady.
And you're gonna do the drive-by.
Correct. I'm on film right now.
Okay. Are you sure you don't want to move the truck?
No, the truck is fine.
Because I don't want this to be an afterthought where you're like,
No, I'll be in the middle.
I should have moved the truck.
I'll be in the middle of the lane.
Okay.
It'll be fine. All right.
God, it just don't look like there's that much room to stop.
We'll be fine. Okay, we're gonna get it rolling. Like the video, again, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and let me know your thoughts about the camera, and we'll keep working with it and see if we can't get something really cool out of it. So have a great day. Take care, guys.